Hi friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friend, today's video we are going to discuss about how can you improve your English speaking. Even you don't have any English atmosphere, no one speak English around you. But how can you improve yourselves? First things first, if you want to improve your English within a short period, one thing you should do. It's a difficult, that is think in English, because what happens when we can't able to think in English, because those people around us they continuously speak English, not a English, speaking our mother tongue with us. That's why it's difficult to us to think in English. But even friend, if you can control on your mind and continuously you think something is around you, you should have to which situation is happening around you, and that same things you should have to think in English, and automatically it will be habit to your mind to think in English. And once this happen, automatically the English speaking will be start through your mouth. This is most important things. And what happen most of time, at the starting of speaking English, they most of student can't able to speak, and before that they start to read any random grammar books, some daily use English sentences. But friend, I want to say you should have to start to speak English. Don't worry about any vocabulary, any daily use English sentences. Once you start, automatically you will able to create the sentences and you can able to speak better English. Then friend, let's remember, try to think in English and try to speak out without any fear. Don't worry about people will be laugh. Don't worry about it, but after sometimes later automatically you will able to speak well English. Thank you friend. If you like this video, please subscribe, press the bell icon, and friend, share with your friend.